Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have another big box. This Creative Pebble speaker, particularly Creative Pebble Plus 2.0 desktop speaker. So I was looking for one desktop speaker for my desk, and on Amazon I saw this, and review and everything were good, but the look of this thing really attracted me. So I ordered it, and let's unbox it and see how it feels. Wow, it feels premium. So here we are getting one 3-inch subwoofer and one air hole. This sub is down facing. Base of down facing subs are my personal favorite. This one is passive subwoofer. Basically there is no circuitry inside this woofer. It just connects the signal from the satellite speaker. I think this one is built with MDF board, and so the build quality is pretty good. So let's jump over to the satellite speaker first. These satellite speakers are completely made of plastic, but the quality of plastic used here is very good. For the left speaker there is nothing, only one wire is connecting to right speaker. The design of this speaker are perfect for your desk as it is 45-degree angle. If you placed it on your desk, the sound will directly come to your ears. So this right speaker is the main brain of the whole system. The all magical things is happening inside this right speaker. You can see lots of wire are coming out of it. Let's see what are they for. Okay, one wire is directly connected to the left speaker. Rest 3 are for the input output connections. First thing, the USB port. This one will power the speaker. You can connect to a desktop USB port or a mobile charger, or even you can power it from a power bank. Second one is a 3.5 mm aux input. It will bring the audio to the speaker, so you can connect it to your speaker port or the headphone port of your mobile. And third one goes to the subwoofer. It powers up the subwoofer. They provided a good length of wire here. There is a gain selector switch at the bottom of the right speaker, so it will select the high gain or low gain kind of thing. At the front, one power switch and volume control knob is provided with a power LED beside this. I think these are 2-inch subwoofer. Okay, let's wire up everything and test the audio quality. On Amazon this speaker is currently 3199. So link will be given in the description, you can check it out. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notifications.